Performance Drone Works, PDW, a US-based developer of unmanned aerial systems and AI solutions, confirmed it recently conducted a live demonstration integrating its C100 quadcopter with an F-35A Lightning II fighter jet. During the exercise, the C100 used an underbelly-mounted Leonardo Stag 5 laser designator to mark ground targets, enabling the F-35A to deploy and guide 4 inert GBU-12 Paveway 2 bombs with pinpoint accuracy. The trial involved target designation at distances of 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000 meters, capturing the sequential impacts of the bombs. Footage released by PDW showed the drone in operation alongside the stealth fighter, although the F-35A itself was not featured in the target release footage. According to PDW, all munitions struck their assigned targets successfully. While the U.S. Air Force has not publicly commented, the approach suggests a potential method for Joint Terminal Attack Controllers, JTACs, to direct strikes from a safe distance, minimizing the need for low-altitude flights by manned aircraft. This demonstration highlights a growing trend in air operations, employing tactical drones to handle target designation. By shifting this responsibility to an autonomous platform, armed forces can preserve the stealth and operational range of manned aircraft while reducing exposure for ground operators. The combination of a relatively inexpensive drone with a fifth-generation fighter reflects a future where air combat relies on layered technological integration to maximize flexibility and precision. Unlike prior exercises, such as the June 2024 U.S.-Philippine drill where F-35Bs struck targets identified by drones and a C-130, the C-100 proved capable of autonomous operation for 35 minutes at distances up to 3 kilometers. The GBU-12 bombs used are modified 500-pound Mk-82 munitions equipped with laser guidance, capable of ranges beyond 14 kilometers. Classified as a Group 2 drone, the C-100 has already been adopted by the U.S. Army. The 173rd Airborne Brigade announced the acquisition of 4 units and custom FPV drones on August 3, 2025, with soldiers contributing to modifications, repairs, and the development of grenade launcher and payload systems compatible with the C-100. The drone was also demonstrated during the multinational Agile Spirit 25 exercise in Georgia, showcasing capabilities for medical and ammunition delivery alongside reconnaissance, emphasizing versatility in both combat and support roles. The C-100 can operate up to 74 minutes and cover 10 kilometers, enabling units to conduct missions beyond visual range. Designed for portability and deployment from light tactical vehicles, the C-100 features foldable rotors and can carry electro-optical sensors, small explosives, or serve as a mothership for smaller drones. PDW positions the drone as an organic fires platform, capable of transferring laser-designated targets to artillery, aviation, or naval assets. In the F-35 trial, the C-100 successfully validated its function as a remote target designation tool, allowing the fighter to strike while maintaining stealth and minimizing JTAC exposure. However, reliance on onboard sensors and data links exposes autonomous drones to electronic interference and cyber threats. As electronic warfare capabilities advance, robust networked systems with redundancies become critical to maintaining operational effectiveness. The integration of drones and manned aircraft signals a shift toward a more interconnected battle space, though it underscores the importance of controlling the electromagnetic spectrum. The July 2025 demonstration illustrates the potential of small tactical drones to enhance strike flexibility, improve battlefield safety, and redefine joint operations. With compact, modular platforms like the C-100 providing remote target designation, precision airstrikes are no longer limited to manned aircraft, representing a major evolution in modern warfare.